Hey, if you're looking for a powerful clothing steamer that really works well, your search is over, this is it. I did receive this as a gift from the company so that I could show you how it works, and man, am I impressed. I'm gonna show you how I steamed Wrinkles out of a couple of different pieces of clothing that are different weights, different textures. You'll see here in a minute. And then I'm also gonna show you how this part works as far as filling this up with water and how this folds in so you can travel with it really easily. It also comes with the carrying bag and this brush if you're doing fabrics like a velvet or something like that. You can put this brush on the end of it so that it's brushing and steaming at the same time. So let's get started. The water reservoir has this hole for the water and a silicone stopper. So I'm filling it up with distilled water. Don't ever use tap water. And then just pressing that closed. And we're going to twist it onto the back. See how the handle is folded in? That's for ease of travel. Just pop it open and plug it in. That's the button to turn it on, and the steam came out almost immediately. It was literally only a few seconds. So this is a men's lightweight rayon shirt. It's brand new. It's got some packing wrinkles and bends in it. And of course, this type of fabric, steam is going to really work well on this type of fabric. But I will tell you, this steamer is powerful. It really put out a large amount of steam, which made it so easy and so quick. I think I did this entire shirt front and back in just a few minutes. Now here's some men's swimming trunks. Again, it's a very light fabric, so the wrinkles are going to steam out of it very, very easy. But here we've got, this is kind of a blend of different types of fabric, and it feels like wool. It is very heavy, like a sweater, and the wrinkles are coming right out of it. There you can see how nice and smooth that looks. Very easy to get the wrinkles out. Okay, now this is a thick cotton men's button-down shirt. You know the type that I'm talking about, that you have to iron every time you wash it. And just look at how this powerful steam is getting those wrinkles out. This is a great steamer. So the link to this is in the description below, so you can go right to it and get what you need. Also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of really cool products like this, please hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing.